27, 28, 7, 8. See the time, bro. Still super tough. Rip right and dip left, son. Let's get it.
باب مفتوح للاجتهادات التقليد. هذا حد العالم، هذا طالب، هذا راسخ والى اخره.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. To all the 𝗥𝗣𝗣𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗔 YouTubers and viewers, welcome back to a new video on 𝗪𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏. Y'all know what time it is. Mel's first real routine after brain surgery: 50 pull-ups, 100 dips in 30 minutes. Let's work. Okay, here we go. We doing the timer. We doing dips and not push-up because Mel's still in a situation where he can't bend. No freaky.
You know what I mean? Over there, doing those things.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22. So he's been trying to do some pull-ups every now and again. Dips are very difficult for him. He hasn't tried push-ups yet.
I tried a couple of squats. Squats is still kind of weird.
Some squats, but no burpees. Nothing where he has to. 24, 25, 26.
The easiest exercise for me getting back is actually pull-ups. Pull-ups, and I guess you can say muscle-ups, but not many of them, but I can still, muscle up.
Yeah, he can still muscle up. But he can do push-ups, but he just don't want to because obviously he's going to be in a situation where he anytime his cranium 27, 28, 29, 30 is parallel to the ground. Uh-oh, it's about to get busy. The Sunshine State. $33. I'm letting y'all know I'm not sticking around for the rain.
What's the time looking like?
2 minutes. 33, right? Oh, I feel the rain. 35, 36. I'm letting y'all know I can't do the rain right now with my shirt off and this weight vest on.
It's crazy because
I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna zoom in. Later, bros.
Later, bro. Was that 36?
37, 38, 39.
It's crazy because it's like, it looks beautiful. 39. Let's go for 4 pull-ups, y'all.
40, 41, 42.
Nope.
41? Oh, okay.
My chin clear?
I wasn't looking. 42. 42 is good. 42.
He trying to beat the rain, y'all.
I am. I'm gonna beat the rain. 43, 44. 45.
45.
46.
So today marks 6 weeks exactly to the day.
46.
46.
47. 48. 47. What? Patch out in the ring? 47. 48, 49. One more. What's up, Slim? No rain, don't train. One more. 50.
Yeah.
Oh, you locked out? Don't worry, you can you gonna be, he's good.
Okay.
Let's see, Rip.
Oh, no,
1, 2, 3, 4. You can go in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you can't even go in through the front door.
The back door's open.
The back door is open. That's 10. 13, 14, 15, 16, 15. All right, I wasn't sure if that first one counted. $16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nah, you good. I mean, you got the count. 25. Yo, bro. There we go. Oh, rain, don't train. What's the count? I can't even see the time, bro. Ah, that joint's stinging, boy. That joint's stinging. That joint's stinging. Yo. Boy, the camera's turning on and off by itself. 840. working in the rain, really, bro. Nah. Let's go, bro. You didn't get it. I'll be back sooner than later. Inshallah, y'all see me back training the same, or remaining the same. It's supposed to be 100 dips. Dips is still super tough. Even more difficult than the pull-ups. Still can't do the push-ups yet. Squats is still kind of tough. So I'm gonna be taking it easy. Stretching, you know, a couple pull-ups here and there, a couple dips. Every day is training day. Rip right and dip left, son. Let's get it. Stay rip. Sit back. Big back. Big back.
Indeed, in the body, literal translation, is a lump of flesh, a piece of meat. إِذَا صَلَحَتْ صَلَحَ الْجَسَدُ كُلُّهُ. And when that lump of flesh